The challenge for global companies is to do everything in the best location. We have to intensify our trading relations between Europe and China. China is so large, still in a phase of very rapid development, where you need many products from Germany.
I'm the first time in Nehwei, and I'm very surprised about the quick development in China and especially also in Nehwei. Now the development of our data model was a little bit slow because there are too few people working on it, and I hope that we can now speed it up with Chinese speed in development.
The Chinese market is an open market for Germany. It's the most important market for them still because it's the most growing market. We need free trade in the world. So especially hidden champions from Germany need free trade. So they need a good ecosystem, and they will have it in China. So I think we can learn from each other. So China is ahead in some areas in regards of AI, and we exchange on another level than before.